All right, guys, the Russell 2000 index, the small cap stocks are underperforming today. If you remember last week, they actually showed resilience when they were outperforming the other indexes, okay? Even though inflation came in hotter than expected with CPI and PPI. So I said it was something I was gonna watch this week, and today it showed that it's still weak, okay? And it makes sense because of the hotter inflation. So for me, I'm not being aggressive yet, as you know, with these small cap stocks. It's up to you. If you want to start dollar cost averaging and you're a very patient long-term investor, there's nothing wrong with that. I know some investors are doing that early because we know at some point down the road there will be an interest rate cut. But me personally, I'm waiting till we get a little bit closer to that, okay? And then we got NVIDIA's earnings, obviously, tomorrow after market close. This is the AI bellwether. So this is going to dictate where a lot of these AI stocks go next. If they do not beat big, the stock, you know, especially if they miss, we all know the stock's going to go down big. But even if they only beat slightly, that will be reason enough to sell off the stock. Again, temporarily, I still think any dip, people are eventually going to buy in for the long haul, okay? So remember that. But short term, okay, if you're looking for an entry point, I was telling you the number to watch is 2025 revenue estimates of 30 billion. If they come underneath 30 billion, the stock's going to sell off. If it comes at least 31 to 32 billion, then the stock will probably be flat to up a little bit. And then if it's over 32 billion, it's going to run the stock. It's going to keep going, and I think it could get to 900 or 1,000, you know, eventually, because it's still it's not considered overvalued, you know, with the demand, obviously, with their chips on a forward, you know, price earnings ratio. So again, nothing wrong with sitting on the sidelines and seeing what opportunity you get, you know, after the earnings report with NVIDIA, because that will dictate where things go with AI stocks. And then Apple is one to watch as well. I've talked about this. They're the bellwether for all of the indexes, and they look to be cracking their 200-day moving average. So we'll see where it closes at today, guys. That's one to watch because that will affect stocks as well.